the total number of zeros for a polynomial is always its degree. So here, the degree of this polynomial is 2, so there are 2 complex zeros. Okay, which means 2 total zeros. To determine the number of real and non-real zeros, we're going to graph it. Okay, so to graph this, we just type that in. We've got 4x squared minus 6x, and we graph it. And we see, oh, it crosses twice. So there are two real, which means there's none left for non-real. Okay, so 2 real zeros and there are no non-real zeros. For part B, we look at our degree. The degree is 3, so there are 3 complex zeros. Okay. And then we can graph it. So let's go ahead and just get rid of what we had there and graph this. Negative 2x cubed plus x squared minus 3x minus 12. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom out because it's not quite clear what's happening here. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom out, okay, just to make sure we're kind of... All right, so it looks like it's just kind of doing this almost straight line type thing. Obviously it's curved, but... And it just crossed in one spot there. And so that's... And it just went straight through like a line would, so that's of multiplicity 1. So it looks like then that we've got a 1 real zero, 1 real, and that leaves 2 to be non-real. So 2 non-real. Okay, for part C, let's go ahead and graph that. So we've got x to the 4th minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 8. Go ahead and graph that, and it looks, and I've got to zoom back in here, so I'll just go ahead. Oops, not out. We'll zoom. We'll just create a little box around that. Okay, so it looks like, and actually let's get a little bit closer. All right, so there we see that we've got these 2 zeros here. Of course, this is degree 4. I probably should have said that for degree 4. So there are 4 complex zeros. Okay, and the 2 zeros that I see here, it goes straight through. So those are each of multiplicity 1. So I've got 2 real zeros. 2 real zeros. And then that leaves 2 for non-reals. So 2 non-real zeros.